Hi, my name is Ahmed. I am 27 years old. I came from Qatar, but I'm originally from Palestine. I have a diploma in electrical power system. I had no any idea about ECUs. I came to India to learn about ECU repairing. My father owned garage. We own about commercial vehicles like big trucks. We are dealing with many issues for ECU. In my country, we will replace direct the ECU and we will not repair it. So I joined here in Bhadra. First day was introduction about ECUs and how ECUs works in the car. Also we learned about soldering all the components inside the ECU. I recommend like the other people to come to Bhadra. I really learn how to repair the ECUs and how to do soldering. They will learn you step by step. The people who's working here, we have two instructors. First one, Deepak sir and Yogesh sir. They were really helpful. If you ask them many times about any question, they are really helpful and they will answer your question with a smile. I recommend dealing with these people.
So, why did you choose this offline course?
Of course, I will choose offline course because like there is difference between like when you watch the thing and when you touch it by your hand. Physically, if you go like with practical by your hands, very much better than online courses because only you will hear the sound. Also, there is time difference. So offline courses, like for my side, it's much better than the online courses. If you bought this device from Bhadra Electronics, they will give you 1 or 2 or 3 days to show you how this device is working. Basically, they will show you the license for this device. You will be expert in using these devices like Magic Motorsports, KTM Bench. Also, you will know how to do booting method and bench method. They will assist you each device separately.
You attended a lot of ECUs here.
Yeah.
So, what was your practical experience?
My practical experience was very nice. Also, like especially in soldering, how to know which IC is damaged, how to replace the IC inside the board, how to do line tracking on these boards. It was super. We fixed one board, like we fixed a small components like resistance or relay, and it fixed the problem. And I visited Bangalore. This is my second time coming to Bangalore. It's very nice country and very nice place. For Bhadra Electronics, I really recommend people to come here because they are really helpful and they will show you like step by step all the problems, key programming, also remapping, KTM bench, ECUs repair, how to do solder. Bhadra Electronics I really like. I lived really a nice 1 month and very nice place.